All right, so you remember, first of all, let's do this. What does 3 times 4 equal?
12.
Okay, it's 12.
12.
What does 30 times 4 equal?
120.
Right, because we multiply the 3 times the 4, and we're going to add a 0. So we're doing 30 groups of 4, which would be 120. Okay. What would 300 times 4 equal?
1,200.
So it'd be a 12 and 2 zeros, right?
Yeah, 1,200.
Okay. We're going to do this backwards. We're going to do division. We're going to start with this one. What is 12 divided by? No, wait, I want to go this way. I want to do 12 divided by
It looks
3.
like a minus. What's 12 divided?
Hang on, I want to see which way I want to do it.
It's not that. It's a division sign. Either way, there's no dot. There was a dot. It goes like
Okay.
this.
No, it doesn't. I want to go this way. What is 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. So what would 120 divided by 4 equal?
30.
Right. Now, because you're seeing how many groups of 4 are in 120. And we can do the basic thing. What's 12 divided by 4? It's
30.
no. What's 12 divided by 4? It's 3. And how many zeros?
1.
1 0. Okay, let's do this one.
I got it.
What's 12 divided by 4?
330.
3. How many zeros?
2.
Okay, so let's check. Let's go backwards. What's 3 times 4? 12. What's 30 times 4? 120. 300 times 4 is 1200. All right, now, prove it on your calculator. Please take your calculator and do this one.
That one.
Yep.
The very last one. Which one?
The very last one. 1,200 divided by 4. Let's make sure we're right.
Yep.
Yep. So in the book, when they explain it to you, they go into dividing the tens. We're really doing this group of tens divided by that group of tens, but I know by teaching 5th grade for many years that usually confuses kids more than it helps them. But if I show you the multiplication and then show you the backwards, you're going, oh, yeah, that makes sense, right? Does it make sense?
Yes.
Does anybody not see how it makes sense? Okay. What is it that doesn't make sense to you? Well, you look at they also teach you by showing you patterns. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 120 divided by 4 can't just be 3. It has to be 30 because 30 times 4 is 120. So you do the basic fact, and then you need a 0. You do the basic fact, and then you count your zeros. And it does come out to be the right thing. 300 times 4 is 1,200. Yes?
But why do you need those zeros to be there exactly?
Why do I need them to be there? Okay, I'll show you. Well, let's just take a random problem. They're there because they're right. Let's do this. Let's do 2,400 divided by 6. How are we going to solve this? Zeros are there. They're just there because they're the number. How are we going to solve it, Jace?
6 divided by 24 divided by 6.
We're going to do 24 divided by 6. What does that equal?
4.
It equals 4. So hold on a second there. Is 2,400 divided by 6 4?
No.
No. It's got to be bigger. Draven, get off your calculator. It's got to be bigger than that. How much bigger?
200.
We need the 2 zeros.
Yes, 2 zeros.
Now we know we're right. Check it on your calculator, please. Do 2,400 divided by 6. Yeah?
Yep.
No.
You did it wrong.
It's 400 dots.
Well, that's because they always hold the decimal point there, remember? There is a hidden decimal point in here.
Look, no, we're actually right because that thing is right there.
Okay, so how do you check to know if this is right? If you can't do division on a calculator, how do you check to know this is right?
Multiplication.
And what do you multiply?
4 times 6.
400 times 6. Well, we know how to do 400 times 6, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah. We go, that's 24 with 2 zeros. So, am I right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the shortcut method of division when it's multiples of 10. You do the basic fact, and then you have to have the zeros. And you know it's right because you can check it. 400 times 6 is 2,400. Let me give you one to try. Calculators aside. Calculators aside. See if you can solve this. Copy it down if you need to. Copy it down if you need to. And I want the answer on your whiteboard. Not a calculator.
I think I'm right.
Oh, so we don't use calculator?
No, we're not using a calculator. Good. Done? I'll show you again how to do it.
I'm ready.
Good. Well, go grab one. You gotta get one from school. Nope.
I think I got
Is 600 times 5 150? No. Good. All right, here, you can borrow one. I got extras all over the place. Here, let's use that one.
I think the zeros really do matter.
Of course they matter, but that's not like they don't just appear out of thin air.
But did you get the thing?
No. All right, who's still stuck? Stuck?
No, wait.
Good. Yes. Okay, don't write it like that. Write it just the way I have it here. You can't solve it that way.
I just got confused.
Did you get it? How do you know that answer if you don't know how you got it then? I don't get that. Okay. Let me see if Addison, do you need help? I'm glad you admitted you need help. That's the first step. Okay. I need everybody looking. What's the first thing we do to solve this? Be careful. Don't give us too much information, Draven. You do
divide
15 divided by 5. That's our basic. We look for that basic problem. What's 15 divided by 5, everybody?
3.
It's 3. Okay, so is 150 divided by 5 3?
No.
No, because 3 times 5 is 15, but we need the
0.
0.
And then you said put it out of there.
And that's it. You weren't looking at all when I did that problem, so I don't know what to tell you. Okay, we'll try another one.
You just put it out.
Do the basic fact first and check the zeros. Like this. Okay, find your basic fact, solve it, and do this. Some of you are going to write it down. Nope.
I'm ready.
Yep. Gotta get your basic fact right. Yep.
It's
It's the problem, we don't know our basic facts, but you can use your multiplication. Yes, Draven, you can use your multiplication chart.
I thought it was. I thought the 2 and the 1 were the other way.
Good. Did I see your Jason?
Yeah. It was.
I thought the 2 and the 1 were flipped, and I'm pretty sure I fell back
Honestly,
out
I know you can have a wiggle chair.
This is going to be easy today. I could be wrong.
It is.
That's not easy for all of us. Okay, basic fact. Do this basic fact first. Yes, what's 21 divided by 3?
7.
7. How many zeros do I need?
Simply add
1.
0.
70 times 3 is 210. Give you another one.
Alright. What is it? Alright.
Okay, find your basic fact.
I think I'm done.
Do it first and then add the zeros. Good. Got it. Good.
Miss Madison.
Good. multiplication chart to figure it out. Get it? Yes. Okay, the first thing you do is 35 divided by 7. If you don't know what that is, get your multiplication chart out. Figure it out.
Why is there a random orange sitting by the player?
That's mine. Make one orange now. Kids are like, oh my god.
Are you doing 35 times 7? We're doing 35 divided by 7. Not times. 35 divided by 7. In other words, 7 times what gives you 35?
My legs got stuck in the floor down there and I had to get it out.
I don't even go.
And there's also air coming out in there.
Okay, 35 divided by 7 is what, everybody?
500.
No, 35 divided by 7 is 5, and then you need
0, 0.
2 zeros. We're going to do a couple problems out of our math book.
We need to open it.
Yes, open it up to page 92.
What kind of problem?
90, these kind of problems, but I'm just going to let them give you some.
192.
92.
Just 9.
Just 92.
Ooh, look at the dot.
There's no dot.
190.
Okay, so on page 92, remember to do the basic fact first, and then count how many zeros you need, and you've got it.
Number 1.
Nope.
Do you know how? Or independent fact.
Okay, we're on page 92.
Yes.
Molly, choose a number for us to do. It has to have zeros in it.
4.
Molly chose 4. You're going to do number 4. Copy it down if you need to. It's okay to copy it down so that you can underline your basic fact.
I'm ready. Wait, maybe.
You're doing number 4.
Okay, this is a rough guess, but I did it. So
Hold on, I forgot what 4 is.
4 is that.
Good.
Is this good? I think I might
Yes.
be off. No, I'm not.
Good. We're doing number 4.
I only chose number 4. Okay.
92.
I only chose it because it was the first one I looked at.
That's okay. We're on page 92, not 192, 92. Good. So you can pause, and I'm going to show you Brent's answer to make sure you got it right. So pause if you didn't do it, and then you can see his answer. Am I seeing? Where are you? Where's Brent? Hold still, Brent. Is it in there now?
Yep.
Okay. Good. That was weird. All right. You already showed me your answer. Okay, Jace, choose another one. It's got to have zeros in it.
I already know. 27.
Jace has chosen 27. Everybody do 27.
29.
I forgot what the problem was, much less the answer.
Okay, is this good?
I should probably look at the problem. Hold on a minute. 27 is... Oh. Okay.
I'm going off of my last answer.
Got it.
That's a horrible.
Oh, I'm right.
This is lettuce.
A second. Got it.
Sometimes I just remember from the last problem that we did, 8, and then I subtract 6 from what we started with.
Dude, you're giving away the answer.
Got it. No one's listening. I'm listening.
I'm listening.
She's not. You'd be surprised. I can come over next to somebody and help them and give them an answer, and the people right around them, they hear nothing. Got it.
Wow, that is
Unless the person
surprising.
that's stuck on the same question is actually trying to listen to the help too.
And some people, when they do, it's appreciated. Okay, first thing you do is you're going to say, what's 42 divided by 6? When you figure that out, you're going to figure that out that that's 7. Now, how many zeros do you need? Yes, okay. I want you to get the process. The answer was 70. All right, so go do the assignment.